let's talk about arithmetic return versus geometric return. Now arithmetic return is very easy. You calculate returns for different periods, you add all of them and divide it by the number of returns. So that is arithmetic return. Geometric return, you find out the present value and future value and then raise it to power 1 by n, taking the nth root and subtracting the initial capital. Right? So your CAGR is a geometric return because it is 1 by n. But if you would have found out returns for each period of the investment and then divided by the add all those returns and divided by n, that average is called arithmetic return. For example, suppose you purchased shares in Tata 2 years ago. During the first year, the stock doubled but fell by 50% in the next year. What is your average annual rate of return? So first year you got 100% return, next year you got minus 50% return. So 100 plus minus 50 divided by 2. So actually it is showing a return of 25%, right? Average return. When I calculate the geometric return, it says 1 plus R. So R is 100%, that means 1. So it became 1 plus 1. The second 1 plus 1 minus 50%, 0.5. Minus 1, the actual return is 0%. Let's go to CAGR. Right? CAGR is geometric return. For example, a company doubles its sales in 4 years. Then generally people would say in 4 years you are getting 100% growth. So per year the growth is 25%. But if I find out the 1nth root of this return, then it comes to 18.92. And this 18.92 is called compounded annual growth rate. The simple compounded rate when compounding is annual and the mean return. Right? So average mean compounded return when compounding is done annually is called CAGR. So for example, somebody invested rupees 10,000 in a scheme and got rupees 13,700 after 2 years. Calculate the CAGR of this investment. Just try it. First find out the HPR. The first step towards finding CAGR is HPR. What is HPR? Price at the end minus price at the beginning upon price at the beginning plus any dividend or income you receive in between into 100. What is the HPR here? 13,700 minus 10,000 upon 10,000 into 100. Just keep on doing it with me, it will become very clear. Now what is CAGR? 1 plus R raised to power 1 by n minus 1 into 100, and here R is the HPR. So it becomes 1 plus 0.37 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 into 100, and when you solve it on the financial calculator, on the normal calculator, you get 17.04. Okay, we asked investors rupees 50,000 some bonds encashable at par after 3 years with a coupon rate of 5% payable every 6 months. Calculate the CAGR of this bond. So first find out the holding period return. So coupon is 5% of 50,000, 2,500, and total number of coupons he'll receive is 6. So that means he'll get 15,000 rupees in between these 3 years. So PE and PB are same 50,000. Money received is 15,000. So the HPR is 15,000 divided by 50,000, that is 0.30. Now we know 1.30 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 1 into 100. get 9.139.
Reach out today and let's do it professionally.